Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be baking a delicious and festive Christmas fruit cake. This cake is a traditional Sri Lankan dessert that's perfect for celebrating Christmas or any other special occasion. Christmas fruit cake is a dense and moist cake that's packed with dried fruits, nuts, and spices. It's typically soaked in rum or brandy for several weeks to develop its rich flavor. But don't worry, if you don't have any alcohol on hand, you can use fruit juice instead. Ingredients. For the fruit mix: 250 grams sultana raisins, 100 grams raisins, 125 grams ginger preserve or candied ginger, chopped, 125 grams chow chow, chopped, 250 grams glacé cherries or macerated cherries, chopped. For the brandy butter mix: 250 grams unsalted butter, softened, 200 grams semolina. For the batter: 500 grams white sugar, 13 egg yolks, 14 grams almond essence, 14 grams vanilla essence, 2 teaspoons rose essence, 3 teaspoons mixed spices. For the final ingredients: 40 grams golden syrup or bees honey, 200 grams strawberry jam, 400 grams cashews, chopped, 400 grams pumpkin preserve, chopped, 7 egg whites, beaten to soft peaks, 50 milliliters brandy, optional. Instructions. 1. Soak the fruit. Start by soaking the dried fruits in the brandy or fruit juice for at least 24 hours. This will help to plump up the fruit and make the cake moist. 2. Make the brandy butter mix. Cream together the softened butter and semolina until light and fluffy. Set aside. 3. Make the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the sugar and egg yolks until pale and thick. Then, whisk in the almond essence, vanilla essence, rose essence, and mixed spices. 4. Combine the ingredients. Gently fold the brandy butter mix into the batter, followed by the soaked fruit, golden syrup or honey, strawberry jam, cashews, pumpkin preserve, and beaten egg whites. 5. Bake the cake. Preheat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius, 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and flour a cake pan, then pour in the batter. Bake for 2–3 hours, or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. 6. Feed the cake. Once the cake is out of the oven, brush it with some additional brandy or fruit juice. Wrap the cake in foil and store it in a cool, dark place for at least a week, feeding it with brandy or fruit juice every few days. This will help to keep the cake moist and flavorful. Tips. For a richer flavor, you can use dark rum or brandy instead of fruit juice. If you don't have any semolina, you can use all-purpose flour instead. You can add other dried fruits or nuts to the cake, such as cranberries, pecans, or walnuts. This cake is even better the longer it ages, so don't be afraid to make it ahead of time. I hope you enjoyed this Christmas fruit cake recipe. This cake is sure to be a hit at your next holiday gathering. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.